Your mom absolutely must not see this monkey. This is a capuchin monkey, and its superpower is imitation. Among all primates, the capuchin is the best observer and can mimic human actions after watching them just a few times. It can cook for you, help with cleaning, or even assist with repairs. And since they are very energetic and curious, their owners don't hesitate to give them small tasks. They can handle even complex jobs. And of course, they deserve a little reward afterward. Rather than simple rewards like food or drink, they might want to take your phone and browse the internet.